the heart of a stormy night, a brave mama cat raced to protect her kitten from the hungry undead. She stood strong for her child, but couldn't escape the bite of fate. As the curse took hold, her love still lingered in her fading gaze. Changed on the outside, but something inside still remembered love. She returned that night, drawn by a love too deep to forget. In her darkest hour, hope arrived with the light of rescue. Love, medicine, and courage brought her home again. Please like and subscribe to SnuggleTales for more exciting videos.